Most people use ChatGPT like a basic search engine. They type a question, I'll get an answer, and move on. That is leaving hours of productivity on the table every single week. There is a command almost nobody knows about that completely transforms what ChatGPT can do for you. Welcome to AIplified. Here is the secret ChatGPT command that saves hours of work every week. If this kind of tip is useful, subscribe to AIplified right now. I share practical AI tips every week in plain English so you can work smarter immediately. Let's get into it. The command is called a custom system prompt, and it changes every single conversation you have with ChatGPT. Here is the problem first. Every time you open a new ChatGPT conversation, it knows nothing about you. Your job, your industry, your communication style, your goals, all of it starts from zero every single time. So you spend the first few messages re-explaining who you are before you can get to the actual work. That is wasted time. The custom system prompt fixes this completely. It tells ChatGPT exactly who you are before you even type your first message. Here is how to set it up in under 2 minutes. Open ChatGPT and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Customize ChatGPT. You will see 2 boxes. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you? And how would you like ChatGPT to respond? This is where the magic happens. In the first box, paste this exact prompt. The exact prompt is in the description below. Copy and paste it directly. It tells ChatGPT your name, your job, your industry, your goals, and your communication preferences. From this moment, every single conversation you open already knows exactly who you are. No more re-explaining yourself every time. No more generic answers that don't apply to your situation. Every response is personalized to you from the very first message. In the second box, paste this. Again, the exact prompt is in the description below. This tells ChatGPT how you want it to communicate with you. Concise or detailed, formal or casual, bullet points or prose, whatever works best for how your brain processes information. Once both boxes are filled, click Save. Now let me show you the difference this makes. Before the custom prompt, you ask ChatGPT to help you write an email. It gives you a generic professional email template that could apply to anyone. After the custom prompt, you ask the exact same question. ChatGPT writes an email in your specific tone, for your specific industry, referencing the context of your actual role. Same question, completely different result. This single 2-minute setup saves most people between 1 and 3 hours every week, permanently. Because every conversation starts with full context instead of zero. There are 3 more commands just as powerful as this one, and they are all in the full breakdown linked in the description. What AI topic do you want me to cover next? Drop it below. Subscribe to AIplified for weekly AI tips that actually save you time.